Okay, so our app is called Doctorpedia, and our app helps you find doctors in your area that are covered by your insurance provider. Our app also shows you if there's a cold, flu, or strep outbreak based on your location. So finding a doctor that's covered by your insurance is really important if you are on vacation and for some reason need to go to the doctor, or if you get a new insurance provider. Our app makes it simple to find a doctor that's covered by your insurance by putting everything in one spot. So we have all the doctors that are covered by your insurance as well as ratings to easily help you find one so you don't get stuck with a giant medical bill at the end of the visit. So the first part is find a doctor. So if you can click on this, you're prompted to enter specialty. So let's say you want to find a new dentist in your area. You can scroll down to dentist, and you can click on dentistry, and then you can choose your insurance. So let's say you have this insurance, and then you're prompted to choose your plan, and this is the plan I have. So then it shows you a map based on the location from your phone, and it shows you all of the dentists within a 20-mile radius of where you are. So you can click on one, and you can see, wow, that person has 4 stars. That's pretty good. I probably want to go to that dentist, so you can click on her name. And you're taken to a website where there's a phone number, so I can actually call and make an appointment with her directly through this app. And there's also a biography in case I want to read up on the dentist before I go and see them. So that's the first part of the app. And then the second part is area health. So if you want to see if there is a flu outbreak in your area, you can click on flu, and it will show you, oh, it looks like there's 2 cases of flu at VCU campus and a whole bunch at MCB. So it also can show you strep and if there's any colds in the area. We also use Jenkins, and Mac can tell you all about Jenkins.
So our release engineering cycle, we were trying to integrate 3 main services, Slack, GitHub, and Jenkins. Jenkins is our continuous integration server. Whenever code is committed to GitHub, GitHub notifies Slack and it notifies Jenkins to pull the code, build it, lint it, package it up, and push it to production. So anytime people are making changes, we're getting the updates immediately, and we're also being notified over our Slack channel when they come in, if a build succeeds and how the lint process went.
So the various APIs we use, so we use an API called Better Doctor to get all of the doctor information for the app. And for the information about outbreaks, we're currently just using dummy data because it's not flu season, so it's not really, many cases out there. But we implemented it server side. That way, in the future, if we wanted to integrate with the CDC or somebody else that has the actual data, we can do that on server side and not have to mess with the client.
All right. So, guys, I'm a photographer. I'm not a technology person. So, do you remember any of the questions that the show asked you to ask?
I pretty much just answered them. They keep asking questions about the data. So,
yes.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, they gave us a lot of questions about the technologies we used, along with how we retrieve data. That was practically all the questions that we were asked.
Yeah, so our app is actually a WebView Android app. So most of our apps is actually done with HTML5, and so it's actually a website, and then we're just showing it all in app over there.
Ram help?
Doctorpedia.
Yes. It says you're going to have to write it in because of